Hello guys, in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to import your coordinates into Google Earth. So first I need a coordinate file. Okay, this is my coordinate file. As you can see, this is the longitude and latitude columns, and I have a description column also, and also on the point number column. Okay, what I am going to do is I am going to save my Excel file as a CSV command delimited file. CSV command delimited. Okay, now my file is a CSV command delimited file. Then I am going to open Google Earth. Okay, this is the first interface you can see once you open the Google Earth. Okay, now I am going to open my coordinate file. It is in desktop and you need to choose all file in this tab. Okay, then I am going to choose create new template. Okay, here it has set name field. I am going to set my name field as description, and it has what is your text color and the pin type. Okay, then it has where you want to save your Google Earth file. Okay, now my point should be laid in this area. So if I want to see my coordinate points, I need to tick this. Okay, here we go. This is my coordinate point where I have surveyed, and you can see all the point has a description: ground levels and roads, and also bridges and the TPMs. Okay, once you click this point, you can see point number, description, and longitude and latitude as in the my coordinate file. Okay, if you want to see rather than description, if you want to see your point number, you need to revert all the process, and you need to set name field as point number. Okay, I will do it again. You need to right click on this coordinate CSV and the revert. Yes, set to name field as point number and choose any icon as you wish. Choose another color. Again you need to tick this. Yeah, then I can see my point numbers. Okay, this is very important. Once you survey it, you can see where your points in the map. Okay, these coordinates are in WGS 84, but you can use another coordinate system like UTM coordinate system in your survey works. In my next video tutorial, I am going to show you how to convert one coordinate system to another coordinate system by using ArcMap. Thank you.